Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh Narek. We welcome you to our special series, The Economic Times Cutting Chai Stories. It's an initiative by ETH. The key to Cutting Chai conversation is to have good discussion around your areas of early life, education to grooming, training, business sense, skill augmentation to work-life balance. And before we begin, let me set the context right. Cutting Chai is a series of candid conversations, so where we take you through the inspirational journeys of influential people. You all have seen these personalities in the corporate world, but we are taking them away from the boardroom drama to have some candid chat revolving around their personal life. And today we have with us Mr. Sarath Chandra Kumamaru, who is the CIO and CTO at Airtel Payments Bank. So we have another expert with us, whose name is Mr. Stephen Sequeira, who's the Director of Enterprise Business, Lenovo India. Sarath, Stephen, we've seen digital transformation happening in last 1 year. Okay, in many ways, we've seen the growth accelerated in an exponential, speed, and that's what Stephen also mentioned yesterday when we were discussing. So, as a layman, what do I expect from the customer's point of view? Be it any app that I use, be it any solutions that I provide, or a laptop I purchase, whatever I do. What do I expect? What's going to happen in 2021? Is it going to be the same 2020 where we see, fast growth, or are we going moderate? So who's going to start with that question?
I think
the customer. Yeah, Sharath, go ahead.
This thing on this is that, see, customers are going to go more digital, more mobile. We will have various kinds of devices that people will be engaging on. But I think there are some basics that have not changed in the past. In the past, this was true. In the future, it is true. The only thing in the future, it's going to be even more accentuated. And that is when I, as a customer, buy something, or I don't even buy, I am using a product that is free. Even then, I expect that the service that I get is top notch. The service that I get is something that I can trust and something that will keep me secure and solve my problems. And with so much of this thing around customer privacy, the value of data and other things, customers now realize that if you're providing me a service, I will give you something. It doesn't have to be money, but whatever it is, but never break my trust. I think customer trust is the most important thing that companies have to focus on. Customer convenience next. And third and last is your own business value. If you're going to turn that around and say, what is my product? Why am I giving it? Because I want to get a business value, and customer comes later, it is set for failure. You have to turn it around from past mechanisms and put customer first. I think that is extremely critical. The opportunities that customers have with so many people who can offer similar services means that you want to engage the customer and build a trust with the customer. And if you have that, you can sell anything to the customer. You can provide any service to the customer. I don't know if that was what you're expecting, Rishikesh, but I think that's how I look at it.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, I get that, but I was just waiting for Stephen's reaction on it.
Yeah, of course. I think Sharath is bang on the point, and he comes from a lot of expertise. And I'm telling you, I was glued to what Sharath you were talking on, throughout. And first of all, I picked up a lot of things, and I want to really comment on that. The simplicity, then the whole thing of, I can relate to this, Sharath, a lot to what you spoke earlier, and I want to do that and then maybe cut. I don't know, you Rishikesh will edit it later, because it is so, this I want to talk is about the parenting, the whole thing, and the quiz time, when you said about the quiz time by Siddharth Basu, and I know because it's like 86, 85 Doordarshan is to come, the
Yes.
only channel, and we used to look forward, so all the students. So at that time to have such a kind of parenting, and it's really, parents are so evolved that time, and really great to hear a story. So and learned a lot. Yeah, really inspirational, Sharath. Thanks. So coming to Rishikesh, your question, and sorry for prioritizing what I wanted to really tell, and it was so much I wanted to talk on that. Is when you talk about digital experience, the Rishikesh from the end user as a customer, I think what comes together is everything what Sharath spoke about, and something called the CX, which is the customer experience. the holistic, see, you as an end user or me as an end user are looking for a holistic customer experience. What all comes to that in that is that, of course, the devices, the infrastructure, the bandwidth, the accessibility, and the everything that you experience, a lot of things that you are not aware of, and the applications, the software, and how it is built up, how it is tied to the banks, etc. And all of that, you as a user want to have a seamless experience when you go on to any organization's website or e-commerce site and do a transaction. That's what is important for you, right, as an end user. And that is evolving. It is evolving at a very rapid pace, and I think everybody, all the organizations, everybody is jumping onto the bandwagon to ensure that they give the best of customer experience to the end user. From that point, I think it will keep continuously evolving. We have a lot of devices which are coming out, and like, for example, AI enabled devices, secure devices to ensure privacy, to ensure data protection. I think these all issues will have a lot of play on the digital space, and every organization today is ensuring to be present there on the digital space. And as also yesterday we spoke on the same topic, I think it's organization no longer look at as a choice, but they look at as a given, to be there. And the more it evolves, the more criticality and whole thing which is getting tied up there, and those are not present there, and those are not able to give a holistic experience to the digital route will become irrelevant, I feel. So yeah, that's what
Absolutely.
Rishikesh is my point.